Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this elegant French twist hairstyle on medium length hair. I'm starting by adding some texture powder around the roots. I'll pop the products I use in the description below. Then I've decided to add a little bit of back combing to give this hairstyle a little bit of height, but you can skip this step if you don't like back combing. Smooth out the very top layer with your comb as you flip the sections back over. Then gather that crown area to the back of the head and secure it into a ponytail. Use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair to create more texture. Then I'm going to take a slice of hair from the right hand side, bring it across the top of the ponytail and just tuck the ends underneath and secure with a pin. Take another section of hair on the right hand side just below it and repeat the same steps. Then finally take the last section on the right hand side, cross it over that ponytail and secure with a couple of pins. Next I'm going to take all the hair from the ear forward on the left hand side and I'm going to bring it to the back, tuck the ends underneath and secure with a pin. With the remaining hair, I'm going to hold the base with my left hand using my thumb down, grab hold of the base and start twisting it towards the head while lifting it up. Then hold this to the head and start securing that top loop with as many bobby pins as needed. I always keep my bobby pins closed. Then just work your way down the side of the twist, tucking in any tail ends as you go. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.